Let me just say, do not ever consume this raw. I mixed it with powdered milk and with water, let it soak, I don't know, maybe a minute, not even a minute, and just started drinking it. And I had the worst stomach upset ever. I mean, not as bad like I felt like I had needles in my stomach a few months ago. But this, the pains that this brings out when you consume it raw, it's just not the same kind of coconut. It's really awful. So it's very much like flour, because I believe flour has given me an upset stomach too, with the wheat flour. This stuff gives you a terrible stomach ache. They need to warn you, do not consume raw, because it is punishing. I mean, I had a dull ache all night. I had it in the evening, and I had a dull ache all night. It woke me up. I was just in pain, put magnets over my gut. The magnets might have given some relief, but I mean, it wasn't exactly a nerve problem as much as it's just some kind of another kind of irritation, maybe disrupting the lining of my stomach in some way. Trying to control my nerves may not have been the solution. But I got this at Walmart, and I thought I'd give it a try, and now I regret it.